Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some Memorydex cards that I made using the Simple Stories Say Cheese collection, which looks like this. And show you some of the little pieces. This is the collection that comes with a bunch of cute little trick-or-treaters. Super cute collection. I am going to have everything listed down below, so if you guys want to pick this collection up, definitely go check it out. I have hauled it before on my channel, but I decided to make some Memorydex cards using the collection, and I love the way they turned out. This is, I think I got rid of 2 of them. I don't have them because I sold them already. These are the only ones that are available, so if you're interested, definitely shoot me an email or DM me on Instagram, and I'll show you what they look like. So I have them all packaged up, but I will take them out so that you guys can see. They have cute little labels in the back that I made, and it says Spookified by Liller. They're stitched up, extremely layered, and look how cute, you guys. They all have rosettes, crepe rosettes and paper rosettes stitched up. There's chipboard, there's spiders, just tons of cute little details. So that's that one. And we have this one. You guys, Memorydex cards are like my obsession. I love making them. They're so fun. Look at this one. Super cute. Using a bunch of the ephemera pieces from the collection. And there's layers. That's that one. I posted these on Instagram and I noticed that I didn't film a video, and I was like, oh, let me film the video. Look at this one, you guys, how puffy. How cute is she? A little fairy. It says Happy Halloween. The little rosettes. Little ephemera pieces. All stitched up. I love these so much. They're so cute. Let's see what this one looks like. Look at this one. Tons of layers. Did the accordion style. Cute little spider. Which, you guys, I'm running out of spiders again. I need to order some more. Can you believe that? And here is the last one. How cute! Hey pumpkin. A little rosette. Tons of layers. Cute little Mickey ears, because you guys know that the Say Cheese collection is Disney incorporated as well. Get a little candy corn. So I love it. It's like Halloween and Disney all together. But you guys, oh, I was wondering how that paper was sticking there, the glue gun. These are the cards that I've made using that collection. And then I got a custom order for a past Halloween October daily insert. So I made this one using the Mommy Lay Bootangs collection because that's what she wanted. So I made this super pretty little shaker mix on the bottom. I do sell these, you guys. You can request an order through my email. I'll make you an insert and it will look like this. The pockets will vary since I have like a pack that comes in different pockets, but you'll get a tassel with every order, a little washi tape sample, and definitely a shaker mix. So I did the shaker, as you can see, it's on the top and the bottom. So if you're doing October daily, these are perfect just to add a little something to your album. Super cute. I love this. So fun. So yeah, you guys, those are some projects that I've been working on. Once again, let me know if you guys are interested in October daily inserts, or if you're interested in any of these Memorydex cards. Just shoot me an email or DM me on Instagram. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.